Ever wondered why the moon seems to disappear into the night sky, only to reappear days later? Well, today, December 12th, 2025, marks a fascinating moment in the lunar cycle, the waning crescent phase. This is the moon's final act before it vanishes completely, leading to the new moon. But here's where it gets intriguing. Even though the moon appears to be fading, there's still plenty to see if you know where to look. Tonight, 43% of the moon remains illuminated, according to NASA's daily moon observation, offering a subtle yet captivating sight for skywatchers. What does this mean for tonight's moon? As the waning crescent phase unfolds, the moon will grow thinner each night until it seemingly disappears. But don't let its diminishing presence fool you, there's still a lot to observe. With the naked eye, you can spot prominent features like the Mare Imbrium, Aristarchus Plateau, and Copernicus crater. Grab a pair of binoculars, and you'll uncover even more details, such as the Grimaldi Basin, Clavius crater, and Archimedes crater. And for those with a telescope, the Rainer Gamma, Schiller crater, and even the Apollo 14 landing site will come into view. It's a reminder that even in its faintest moments, the moon holds secrets waiting to be discovered. But here's where it gets controversial. While most people associate the moon's phases with its changing appearance, the science behind it is often overlooked. The moon doesn't produce its own light, it reflects sunlight, and its phases are simply the result of its position relative to Earth and the Sun. This raises a thought-provoking question. If the moon's phases are just a matter of perspective, does that make their beauty any less profound? Let us know what you think in the comments. Speaking of phases, what exactly are they? According to NASA, the moon completes a full cycle of phases approximately every 29.5 days. During this time, we see it transform from a dark new moon to a dazzling full moon and back again. Here's a quick breakdown of the 8 main phases. New moon. The moon is positioned between Earth and the Sun, leaving the side facing us completely dark and invisible. Waxing crescent. A slender sliver of light appears on the right side, in the northern hemisphere, marking the moon's return. First quarter. Half of the moon is illuminated on the right side, creating the iconic half-moon shape. Waxing gibbous. More than half of the moon is lit, but it's not yet fully illuminated. Full moon. The entire face of the moon is bathed in sunlight, making it fully visible and breathtaking. Waning gibbous. The moon begins to lose light on its right side, signaling the start of its decline. Third quarter, or last quarter, another half-moon, but this time the left side is lit. Waning crescent. A thin sliver of light lingers on the left side before the moon fades into darkness once more. And this is the part most people miss. The moon's phases aren't just a pretty sight, they're a reminder of the intricate dance between Earth, the moon, and the sun. Each phase tells a story of movement, light, and perspective. So, the next time you glance up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the science and beauty behind what you're seeing. Finally, mark your calendars. The next full moon arrives on January 3rd, 2026. Until then, enjoy the subtle charm of tonight's waning crescent and the mysteries it holds. What's your favorite moon phase, and why? Share your thoughts below, we'd love to hear from you.